Hi guys, this is Meghna and this is the second tutorial on how to code in p5.js, and today I'm going to mostly tell about 2D primitives in p5.js. So 2D primitives are nothing but 2D shapes available in p5.js web editor. So I am now in the reference page of p5.js. So site here in 2D primitives in the reference. So these are the list of 2D primitives which are available in p5.js. That is, the first one is arc, ellipse, circle, line, point, quad, rectangle, square, and triangle. So you can use any of these. So today, guys, we are going to make a face and give like a smiley face, or no, not a smiley face. Making a smiley face is actually your duty, and you can do that and give the code in the description so that I can see how you made it. So today we are going to mostly see how to make a surprised face. So for that, first we can make a face out of a rectangle. So here rectangle is nothing but rect. So rect, it says that it's a rectangle. So now I have written rect and open the brackets. Now first we have to give the x-axis value. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So now the x-axis value is going to be in the center, 200 and 200. So, and now I'm going to give the width. So that is going to be 100 and 100. I want it to be big enough face. So I got it somewhere here. So guys, here I did not give any semicolon, but yet you see that the p5.js web editor understood that it's the end of the line, and it has given the code which we wrote in on the canvas. It has drawn everything. So if you give a semicolon, you can understand that it's you and me can understand it's the end of the line, and it's good. Make a habit of that. So now let's make two tiny eyes. So for eyes, you can make two circles. So guys, over here for circles, you're having ellipse and circle. Ellipse is also nothing but circle, something similar to circle, and you can and this is your duty to come to the reference page and see what is the difference between ellipse and circle, and tell me what is the difference in the description. So I will know how much you have explored. So now I'm going to use ellipse statement mostly to tell you. So let me type EL. So it's over here, if you give capital E, the web editor will not understand, so you have to give it small. So now it turned the text into blue color. So now I'm going to type the y-axis position. So I want it to be inside this. So it should be 230 and 230 something, normal random numbers I'm giving, and the eyes should be 10. So now it's a bit better, but it's so tiny. No problem guys, it's good. You can set it later. So now I'm gonna copy the same thing and paste it, as I want two eyes. So now I have to change the y-axis position into 260. Yeah, it's a bit better, not perfect but better. So now you can make a surprise face by giving one more big circle. So now let's try using circle statement. Circle and give the values as 300, 230, and not 10. It should be a bit big, 40 and 40. So see, I got it over, but I want it to be over here. So it's got a bit up. So I will make it 200. No, 150. Not down. Like 160 maybe. Okay. Let's make it 200. Now make it 260 and go so down. Yeah, Now the position is correct, but I have to make it a bit left. So now I'm gonna make this also into 260 and just check out. So see guys, I want it to be a bit more left. So 245. Yes, 260 is perfect, guys. So now this is a bit better, but you can change the values. I'm having few values already made, so I'm just gonna insert them. So see guys, I gave few values and now it's very perfect. So you can make this a smiley face, a sad face by using this arc statement and all. So that is all your assignment, so you can do that. So guys, now you can color this picture. So guys, that's going to be the next topic of our video, how to color this face. And I forgot to tell you a few things in the last session, that is the background color. You can change it with the help of giving a direct number, single number, or by using RBG, that is red, green, blue. How much part of greenish part, how much you want, how much reddish part you want, or bluish part. Instead of that, that is also one way. So now you know two ways, but you have one more easier way. So that is if you just give this thing and now write the spelling of the color you want, it will change. So now I want it to be orange. You see, it has changed into orange. So now you can make it into any color. But if you don't give these things, so and just give it as ORANGE, orange, so it cannot understand. So the display won't be there. So now let me give it orange, and you see this is the console, and I'm going to tell about the console and the error afterwards. I'm going to take one full video to explain you about that. So it's given uncaught error, orange is not defined. So if you give like that, it cannot understand. So you should make sure that you give this thing, and now you can play. So you see this, it changed into orange. Now let me try it into gold color. See, it's not going to change it perfect gold, but it did change it into yellowish gold, silver. See guys, over here you can change it into these colors because it's a bit hard making silver and gold color with the help of RBG. And if you don't know, if you're not perfect coder, you cannot give the direct number. So this might be helpful. So let me make this blue for now. Now let's try this. I never tried it. Light blue. Will it understand? No, it did not. So if you want light blue, you can use the RBG statement itself. And one more thing, guys, in the next video I'm going to tell you how to change the color of this ellipse. So not, sorry, the space, and also the how to give a thick border around the face, how to give border to our eyes, how to give border to our mouth and all. So thank you guys, and bye bye. Hope you enjoyed.